Welcome to Matters Financial and Geopolitical from a Frontier. Thank you for stopping by. Currency performance year on year: Egypt top of the heap, plus 5%. Mexico second, plus 3%. Japan minus 0.3%. China minus 8.8%. Australia minus 9%. Brazil minus 11%. South Africa minus 15%. Pakistan minus 31%. They've forgotten Zambia. And Turkey minus 32%. Argentina minus 83%. Currency markets: euro dollar 111.66, dollar index 97.994, Japanese yen 110.44, Swiss franc 101.03, the pound 126.62. That gave up all those gains it had yesterday. Australian dollar, let's take a look at that. 0.6887. India rupee 69.663, staying below 70. South Korean won 1189.60. Brazilian real 403.93. Egyptian pound 16.987. And the rand 14.3589. I said at the end of last year the direction of the dollar is therefore pivotal, and that I expected the dollar to strengthen about 10% this year. I think it might strengthen more. The US dollar index is within a whisker of reaching a new high. This is from JS Blockland. I go back to that article I was writing about the King Dollar. I said every time I hear another fellow talking about the demise of the dollar with that 3 a.m. Ministry of Sound circa 1990s look in their eye, want to buy more. Euro dollar currently at 111.67. I'm expecting it to break down to 106. 10th of December, after the G20 meeting in Buenos Aires, I wrote a piece, Truce Dinner, Huawei and a Diss. The dinner is seen here. Very nice menu, I must admit. But in that article, where they broke out in spontaneous applause, but this lady of Huawei was being arrested contemporaneously with that moment of applause. And I said then an important market for Huawei has been Africa. In fact, Huawei is in the bloodstream of Africa's telecom infrastructure. How this plays out in Africa is now, I said, an above the radar issue. It's been a tough week for Huawei bondholders, says David Inglis. And allow me to again use this beg. This is again not targeted at any specific, but please stop saying Huawei. Stop it now. It's Huawei or Huawei, apparently. Our policy is not going to be driven by President Trump, says Bob Collymore, and his relationship with Huawei. He said that at the full year results. Bonds tied to online loans are getting riskier. This is Fitch ratings. Debt graders are giving high ratings to riskier and riskier bonds from online lenders. Fitch ratings warned in a report that swipes at rival firms like Kroll Bond Rating Agency. Investors in the company's A-rated asset-backed bonds sold in 2017 would suffer losses after the underlying loans lost more than 43%. For 2018, losses come after declines of 36%, and for a deal that was sold in March, 31%. So you can see how the covenants are being softened. Commodity markets: gold, let's have a look, 1274, I think it's going lower still. Chigal, WTI has been trading in a dollar range for 4 days now, in a $3 range since the beginning of May. Have a feeling it will be an explosive move, either upside or down, once we break this range. Crude oil was last trading at $62.66. The rout in benchmark coffee prices: Arabica futures for July delivery gained as much as 3.8% on Tuesday to close at 93.35 cents. The price reached 87.6 cents a pound on May 7th, the lowest since 2005. Robusta futures in London are trading near the weakest in 9 years. Emerging markets, I said, if China sneezes, a whole lot of countries are going to get a very serious bout of influenza.